Nation. Cloth is made from cotton, wool, silk, nylon and rayon. Cotton is obtained from plants. Silk, silkworm and wool from furry animals. Nylon and rayon are made of a tar-like material. Our clothes become dirty for various reasons. Wearing clean clothes is a good habit. We must have clean clothes in order to remain healthy and look neat and tidy. Soap nuts, washing soda, hingenbet, limestone are used to wash clothes. These are all natural substances. Soap bars, detergent powder, liquid soap, etc. are also used to wash clothes. Clothes are durable. Therefore, even if they become old, they can be used. They can be given to those who need them. Torn clothes can be made into useful articles like quilts or dishcloths, doormats, etc. Threadbare cloth can be pulped and used to make paper. There is diversity in clothing in Maharashtra due to cultural and geographical differences. Considering the climate, people in Maharashtra mainly wear cotton clothes.